How do I sell crypto from peer-to-peer on the Binance app? On the Binance peer-to-peer trading platform, you can sell your cryptocurrencies for multiple fiat currencies using various payment methods. Before we start, please make sure you have completed your SMS authentication and KYC identity verification. Now open the Binance app and log in. Then click Wallets and transfer your cryptocurrencies to your P2P wallet first. If the cryptocurrencies you want to sell are already in your P2P wallet, you can simply click the Trades tab, then click P2P on the top. Click the Sell tab and select the cryptocurrency you want to sell. For example, let's sell USDT with RUB. Choose RUB and you can see the various USDT advertisements posted by different buyers. Pay attention to the quantities, trade limit, and payment methods set by the buyers for each ad. Choose the buyer you want to trade with and click Sell. Enter the amount or quantity you want to sell. Let's enter 10,000 RUB for this example. This means that you will sell 10,000 RUBs worth of USDT. Select your payment method. Please note, the payment method you add here will be shown to the buyer during the transaction to accept fiat transfer. So please make sure you are using your real name account and add the accurate information required for fund transfers. Then click Sell USDT. Wait for the buyer to transfer funds to your payment account. When verifying the payment is received, be aware of fake SMS or fake receipts from the buyer. Please make sure to log into your payment account and verify the correct amount is received before clicking Payment Received. After you click Payment Received, the cryptocurrencies will be released to the buyer's P2P account. Then the order is completed. Tips: if no payment is received, please do not click Payment Received to avoid financial losses. Do not trust anyone asking for offline transactions. Claims to be from Binance customer support. If you encounter any issues during the transaction, you can contact the buyer using the chat window on the top right of the page, or you can click Appeal and customer service will assist you in processing the order. Binance implements strict risk controls, including T+1 or 24-hour withdrawals limit, multiple facial verification checkpoints, and anti-money laundering reviews to ensure the safety of your funds. You can trade P2P worry-free. It's fast, simple, and convenient. You can now start selling crypto on Binance platform.